Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Akosia's Tasty Recipe. I hope you are all doing well. So for today, I will be sharing with you how I made this roasted peanut or granite. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so in a boiling water, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, and then I'll go ahead and add my raw peanut. Mix everything together and then cover and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, check on the peanut and then turn off the heat and then strain the water. So once this is done, go ahead and then spread the peanut on a baking tray and then allow this to dry completely. Okay, so this is our peanut. I left it overnight, but if you want to do it the same day, I think it will take about 5 hours. So what I'm going to do is to divide it into two, which I'm going to do the pan roasted and then oven roasted. So I'm going to put what is on the tray in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then I will go ahead and then roast the one in the bowl. Okay, so with the pan roast method, you can use gari or you can use corn grate, something with a rough texture. Back home, some people use sand, which I think it's not really advisable. Then you have to add your peanut and then stir until it's done. It took about 10 to 15 minutes to do this. So once it's done, turn off the heat and then transfer it into a colander with big holes and then separate the peanut and the corn grate and then allow the peanuts to cool. Just as easy as that. Okay, so I'm going to set it aside and then check on the oven roasted. So this is the oven roasted and then it smells so good and then it's also done. So I'll allow it to cool. So the pan roast one has completely cooled and then I peeled off the skin. So I'm just going to put it in my jar and then store it in my kitchen. Okay, it's as easy as that. You can use it for your porridge, your banana, or even if you want to use it for soup, it's okay, you can use it. And then I also go ahead and then pack the oven roast in another container with the skin, because I also want the skin. Okay, back home they used to say that if you eat peanut skin you get a lot of blood. I don't know how true that is, but trust me, with the skin it's also amazing. So any way you want it, you can do it like that. I hope you enjoy this recipe and I hope you give it a try. Please, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share, and stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. To my new subscribers, you are welcome to my channel. Please stay tuned for more and more amazing recipes. And to all those who recommend me to people, I really appreciate it. God bless you all. Love you all. Bye.